What is marital misconduct? Have you ever wondered what actions might lead to a divorce or separation? One key term that often comes up in these discussions is marital misconduct. So, what exactly does marital misconduct mean? Simply put, it refers to actions taken by one spouse that can harm or undermine the marital relationship. These actions can have serious consequences for the other spouse and can impact various aspects of a divorce. There are several behaviors that are commonly classified as marital misconduct. First, we have adultery or extramarital affairs. Engaging in sexual relations outside of the marriage is often viewed as misconduct and can affect divorce proceedings in many places. Next, we have domestic violence or abusive behavior. Physical or emotional abuse within the marriage is a serious issue. Courts take this into account when making decisions about custody and support. Substance abuse is another form of misconduct. Habitual drunkenness or addiction can burden the other spouse and may be viewed negatively, especially if it affects family life or finances. Financial misconduct is also significant. This includes misusing or wasting marital assets, hiding income, or engaging in other financial wrongdoing. Such actions can influence how property is divided during a divorce. Lastly, parental neglect is a serious concern. Neglecting or harming children can be classified as misconduct and may impact custody arrangements. Now, how does marital misconduct impact divorce proceedings? It can influence several key areas. For instance, in property distribution, courts may consider misconduct when dividing marital assets. This could potentially favor the spouse who did not engage in misconduct. When it comes to spousal support, misconduct can affect the amount or duration of support. Courts may reduce support if the recipient spouse engaged in misconduct. Child custody decisions are also impacted. In cases involving domestic violence or parental neglect, courts prioritize the well-being of children. This may limit custody rights for the offending spouse. In terms of alimony, misconduct can play a role as well. Courts assess the financial needs and circumstances of both spouses when making these decisions. While marital misconduct does not automatically determine whether a divorce is granted, especially in no-fault divorce states, it can significantly affect the terms of the divorce settlement. Courts weigh the severity and impact of misconduct when making decisions about support and custody. If both spouses are guilty of misconduct, courts may disregard it when dividing assets or determining support. Understanding marital misconduct is essential for navigating legal rights and responsibilities during a divorce or separation. Knowing what constitutes misconduct can help you make informed decisions during this challenging time.